Here is a quick little problem. Let's see if I can scroll through these pictures in the right order. I kind of messed that up, but here we go. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 times 0 equals what? All right, what do you think the answer is? This one's really simple. I'm going to try to scroll through these really quickly. Different problem. All right, here it is. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 0 equals 21. And some people might be asking, well, how did you get that? How did you get 21? It should be 0. Well, no. Multiplication is first. Multiplication has precedence over addition. Please look it up. You can look it up in your dictionary. Multiplication is defined as repeated addition. The first thing we do is 7 times 0. That equals 0. So you have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 0 equals 21. Very simple. A lot of people are saying, well, if you multiply anything by 0, you get 0. That's correct, but the only thing you multiply by 0 is 7. A lot of people are saying the answer is 0, but no, you'd have to have parentheses around the 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Then you'd have to multiply all of that by 0. And that's coming from people who are solving left to right and have forgotten the order of operations. And this is very basic stuff. You need to understand that multiplication has always had precedence over addition. It's also got precedence over subtraction. It's always been that way. A lot of people have just forgotten. So please don't say back in your day it was left to right, or you learned simple math and you never learned that. No, this is like basic 10-year-old stuff, okay? The other thing I see a lot is people are coming up with answers of 28. 7 times 0 is 0 and not equal to 7. All right, I've actually had people try to tell me that, well, 0 times 7 is 0, but 7 times 0 is somehow 7. That's not correct. You really don't understand multiplication by 0 when you say that. When you say 7 times 0, it's the same thing as saying add up 7 0 times. Well, if I add up 0 7 times, how many times did I add a 7? I added it 0 times. That's what that means. It's about grouping. It doesn't, some people will say things like, well, if I had 7 apples and I multiply those 7 apples by 0, I still have my 7 apples. Yeah, you have your 7 apples, but that's not what multiplication means. Multiplication means I have 7 apples and I put them in one bag. Well, how many apples did I put in a bag? 7 times 1, 7. 7 apples, 1 bag. If I had 7 apples in 2 bags, 7 times 2 is 14. I have 14 apples. I have 7 in each bag. If I have 7 apples and I put them in 0 bags, how many apples have I put in a bag? 0. I didn't put any apples in a bag. That's what multiplication means, and that's where people are getting confused. It has nothing to do with how many apples there are. It has everything to do with how many apples you put in a box, in a bag, on top of your head, whatever. How many you ate. So 7 times 0 is 0. I know a lot of people are saying, well, what are you talking about? I already know that. You would be surprised how many grown adults cannot multiply by 0. So I'm just stressing that, okay? If for anybody out there who thinks that 7 times 0 is 7. All right. So again, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 times 0. What is it? Again, that is 21. All right, there we go.